Are wheel spacers good or bad?
Installing Jeep wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. They're installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you will less limits to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These Jeep wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against suspension components. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Jeep wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Jeep spacers provide a sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that the off-roading SUV looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS 4x4 cooling Jeep wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy-duty and any type of 4x4 event. These off-road wheel spacers have high strain requirements. In addition, BONOSS 4x4 cooling Jeep wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Jeep wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, and improving road safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS 4x4 cooling Jeep wheel spacer feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud, as well as ISO grade 10 lug nuts. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authenticated SGS and TV certification report. In addition, BONOSS 4x4 cooling Jeep wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customers peace of mind. Such BONOSS 4x4 cooling Jeep wheel spacers are surely a good option for your 4x4 off-roading needs.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.